Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Roblox application. So all you need to do, first of all, if you do have Roblox on your PC, this will be great. But if you don't have it, you will need to go and download it through any browser you are using. So once you open your browser, go and type roblox.com and the enter button. Then you will need to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to create an account. Of course, creation of an account will be simple. Make sure you are 13 plus age to create your account. Once you do that, you will need to download the Roblox from their websites. Of course, I advise you first of all to, once you created your account or once you log in into your account, to verify your email address. It will actually be helpful if you want to reset your password when getting hacked, or if you forgot your password. And they will even give you a free item. So who don't love a free item, right? Anyway, so once you do that, once it's downloaded even into your PC, you'll need to go and install it, then run it, then log in again to your account when you open it on your PC. So once you do that, you'll find this as your home, as your main screen, and from here you'll find maybe different games depending on what you played recently or what Roblox suggesting to you. And of course, as we said, if you want to unblock someone in the beginning of the video, simply you will need to log in into your account, as we said, then go to the account settings by clicking at the three dots at the left here, then click at the settings option. From here, you would like to click at the privacy tab, and here you will need to scroll down and you'll find, or it will show, the blocked users at the bottom of the screen. Then you will need to select the unblock next to the player name and click at select and at save. Of course, if you don't have the permission to do that, you'll need to go to the parental controls and disable it for, and you will need maybe to enter a pin code that you already set or your parent sets if it's not your account. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.